Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by booting the PC from the Windows 11 installation USB or mounted ISO. This ensures setup controls the environment. Once the installer loads to the language and keyboard screen, press Shift plus F10 to open command prompt immediately. This is the fastest path. You do this because setup runs with system-level rights, letting you run diagnostic commands, manage partitions, or launch tools before Windows installs. Make sure your firmware is in UEFI mode for predictable behavior, and proceed to the... Once command prompt is open, you can run practical commands. Type disk part, then list disk to inspect storage. Select disk and list partition to target a drive. Use format fs equals ntfs quick or create partition commands to prepare media, or run bcd boot and dism to fix boot files or apply images. You do these steps because setup may need a clean target or repaired boot record. When done, type exit or close the window and continue the installer so Windows proceeds with a correct target. To finish, close command prompt and continue the Windows installer. Follow on-screen prompts and reboot when prompted so setup finishes normally. If Shift plus F10 does not open command prompt, try Shift plus Fn plus F10, enable legacy function keys in BIOS, or use another keyboard. Some laptops map F keys to special functions. If problems persist, recreate the Windows 11 USB with the official media tool, or try a different USB port, because corrupted media or port issues often block entering repair.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.